In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM web search sources effectively. This feature is a great tool for conducting research and organizing your findings in an intuitive and efficient manner. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of it. First things first, to get started, you'll need to open a notebook within your NotebookLM interface. Once you've accessed your notebook, direct your attention to the Sources panel. This is where all the magic begins. The Sources panel is your gateway to discovering relevant content and enhancing your research with ease. Now, within this panel, you'll notice a new Discover button. It's easy to spot because it's marked with a distinctive magnifying glass and a sparkle icon. Simply click on this Discover button to proceed. This is your tool for accessing curated web sources relevant to your research topic. After clicking the Discover button, you'll be prompted to describe your topic of interest. This can be anything you're curious about or need more information on. For instance, you might type in latest trends in AI language models if that's where your interest lies. Once you've provided your topic, NotebookLM goes to work. It will generate up to 10 curated web sources for you. These sources come with accelerated AI summaries. Such summaries provide a concise explanation of the relevance of each source to your topic, giving you a quick overview and helping you decide which sources to explore more deeply. This isn't just a time saver. It ensures that you're delving into sources that are genuinely pertinent to your research. With these sources in front of you, you have the ability to select which ones you'd like to add to your notebook. These selected sources don't just sit idly within your notebook. They become part of an integrated system where you can utilize them for AI-generated summaries, creating frequently asked questions, or even producing audio overviews. It's a dynamic way to keep your research organized and interactive. Finally, there's an exciting feature that adds an element of serendipity to the research process. It's the I'm Feeling Curious button. If you're in the mood to explore something new or unexpected, give this button a try. It suggests random topics, tapping into areas you might not have considered but could prove invaluable or fascinating. In conclusion, using NotebookLM web search sources brings a sophisticated yet user-friendly approach to research. By following this process, you not only enhance how you gather information but also how you organize and interact with it. So, go ahead and experiment with these features in your notebook. You'll likely find that they simplify and enrich your research endeavors significantly. Thank you for watching, and happy researching.